Hi guys! So, welcome back to my channel sa pinabagong vlog. So, ngayon, i-unbox ko itong mga letters na binigay ng classmates ko. O, sige. So, wait lang. Ayusin ko muna. So, guys, wait lang po. Smallest to biggest po ang pag-organize. Harapan naman eh. Ginugulo. Ay, di pala. Wait lang. Okay. So guys, ayos na po siya. So ito po yung itsura. So guys, syempre, alam ko na yung start natin. So isa-start natin yung kay Scarlett. Kasi siyang pinakamaliit na estudyante. Ang cute niya, no? Kapag maliit. Okay, so guys, wait lang po. So, ito po yung sabi niya. Basahin ko po. Hey! What's up, Julian? See you next school year! Ang sweet niya talaga. Okay, next kay Alonso. Kunwari lang siya din nagawa. Ito po. Mamaha! Sorry po guys, ano po siya. Kumakanta po yung mama mo. Pero maganda po kasi may song. So guys, ito po yung kay Alonzo. See what he gave me. It's another day. Sabi niya, what's up, Oyen? I hope I see you in the next school year. Okay, wait lang. Okay. So, next po ay kay Georgina. Okay, so ang sabi niya, Georgina. Hi, Georgina. I wanted to say for a long time, you're pretty cute. I like to hug you. You're the nicest friend I've ever had. Ang sweet niya. Rapa! Dude! Sorry po, guys. Rapa po kasi. Okay, next naman ay kay teacher. Binigay po ito ni teacher, ha? So, guys, let's see. Nagulat ako, guys. It's our picture! Look! Ako dyan, no? Ito ako. Cute, no? Cute. Ito po yung teacher ko. Tapos, ano po kayong sinabi niya? Ito po yun, no? So, ang sabi niya, Dear Grade 2, I'm glad I was your teacher. I've come to love you so. I can't believe the end is here. I hate to see you go. You're such a star. And I love you so dearly. You light up my life. I mean that sincerely. Remember all of the funny hugs and all things we did. But most of all, remember, you are very special, lovely today. So guys, kawawa dito. Pero guys, tumigil na yung iyak ko. So guys, let's put it back in the mail. So guys, ito po yung pagkatapos ng mga pinasa natin mga letters, syempre, ipapatingnan ko yung itsura ng mga letters. Ang laki nito. Galing to kay Akisha. Kunwari siya din ako. Ang laki. Tapos, ano kayang naman? Sabi niya, to Oyen from Akisha. So, it's a real surprise. Oh my gosh! It's a notebook! Okay, so guys, look. Pero yung notebook na ito, bigay niya na protect me. Oh, this stuff. Wala. Okay. Let's put it back in the mail. Ito naman kay Denise. Let's see. Sabi niya, "Hi Oyen, I hope you are doing good. Thank you for helping me as being a president. And it is hard being a president. I hope you are good always. Congratulations. Moving." A message for Oyen. Love Denise. Sweet niya. Grabe. Okay, so guys, ito po yung itsura. So, ito po yung kay Scarlett. My heart po na sticker. Yan po. Tapos, ito po kay Alonzo. Ayan po sa kanya. Ito po yung kay Georgina. Gawa niya to. Galing niya. Tapos, guys, itong gawa ni Teacher. Tapos ito naman gawa ni Akisha. Ganda. Tapos ito kay Denise ang decor niya. Okay. So guys, it's so cool. But hey! Okay, so guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Love you.